Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon CRM. Today, we will see an overview of Bulk Dialer module, your powerhouse for seamless outbound calling. Over on the left navigation bar, under the Leads section, you'll see a tab called Auto Dialer. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Auto Dialer screen where both options are available for you. If you've got IVR or C2C campaigns integrated, you can opt for the Auto Assign Campaign Dialer. Alternatively, our manual assign campaign dialer is ready to go. If your aim is to quickly connect with a large list of leads or clients, our manual bulk dialer allows your team to make calls in sequence without switching screens or manually searching for contacts. Let's dive into how this functionality works. I'll start by clicking on Add Manual Assign Dialer. I'll enter a campaign name, set the call, waiting seconds, and then I'll save and continue. There will be a preset format ready for you. Next, you can download the CSV and upload your data in that format. Simply click on Upload CSV to proceed. There's an option right there for you. I'll go ahead and upload the data now. The CSV upload is complete. See how simple that was? Your campaign is all set up. By clicking on the campaign name, you'll find detailed information including mobile numbers, contact persons, call attempts, and call durations. You can even dial directly from here. If you've got the mobile app open, all you need to do is click on Start Campaign, and calls will begin connecting through the app. Once a call is connected and you've had a chat with the prospect, you can set dispositions from the Settings section. Let's say I choose Disposition 1 Test. Should you feel that this prospect is ready to convert into a lead, you have the option to create a lead right then and there. Just enter the next follow-up date, and the lead will appear on the lead board. If that's not the case, simply dispose of the call. After a 1-second pause, which we've included for convenience, the next call will automatically initiate and come through on the mobile phone. Once everything is set and calls are in progress, you can easily return and resume the campaign. In the test detail section, you'll notice one call is marked as disposed and another as pending, because I didn't attempt the second call or set any dispositions for it. This process pertains to the manual dialer. If you have an IVR-enabled bulk dialer, this tab will also function accordingly. Currently, there are no IVRs configured here. For high volume or campaign-based outreach, you can utilize our IVR-enabled bulk dialer as well. Whether manual or automated, Groweon CRM ensures you're connecting faster, smarter, and at scale. Give the bulk dialer module a try and revolutionize how your team communicates. For more details, visit our official website, groweon.com, and book a free demo today. Thank you.